like a Hellcat.
Welcome to Cumbias Customs. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a broken defroster cable. As you can see in this rear window, the defroster cable broke off. The defroster helps the window melt when it has snow over the top. To fix this, we will be using this kit. It runs around $20 to $24. This kit comes with two kits, one to fix the cable and the other one to fix the heating lines. We will only be using one of the kits, which will be the one with the alcohol wipes, glue, activator, and sandpaper. We are going to disconnect the wire from the connector. The sandpaper, clean the connector until it's really shiny. And clean the window where it connects. Just clean it lightly to not remove any of the material off. If the place where the connector was connected is damaged or missing any parts, you can connect the wire a little bit lower. Clean the connector and the place where it hooks on. Open the activator, but don't touch the green part, just grab it by the foil. Mix the glue well in its packet. Try one drop on the connector. If you can, spread it out to have a better connection. Place it on the window and hold it in place for 1 minute. Once it's a little bit dry, you can check with a multimeter to check if it has continued power from one side to another. And as you can see here, it does have. Wait 24 hours before you connect the connector to the wire. Make sure the car is not in a too cold or of a hot place so the glue's okay. After 24 hours, connect the cable and turn on the defroster. You can feel the heat on your hand, but you can also check with a multimeter to see if it has current. As you can see, this also has current. I hope this video helped you with your project. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. That helps me to make more videos for you guys. Thank you.